We're keeping today pretty short and sweet. We're talking about your rule of thumb when it comes down to being able to do any kind of a turn. We've kind of talked before about how to get here and all of the alignment and conditioning and the practicing that you need in order to be able to do turns and all of that fun stuff. The general rule of thumb is you should be able to hold your position, and for however many counts you're able to hold is how many turns you should be able to do. For example, if you balance in a ray unreleve position and you can hold that for 8 counts, in theory that means you should be able to do 8 turns. Here's the kicker though. I don't believe in that rule of thumb. I say this because it goes back to what I said earlier in the week, where it's really easy in a certain regard to find that position, have it solid, but there's so many other dynamics that we need to keep in check when we go to turn. So I'm not saying it's a bad rule of thumb. It gives you a good guideline to start with, and that's a good way to be increasing, because again, we've talked before about the fact you need to be able to hold these positions before you just start turning. So use that as your guideline. Start off with balancing for 8 counts, maybe try 16, see if you can hold it even longer. Put yourself to the test, see if you can hold it until you're done. That's with proper alignment though. That's not wobbling around everywhere. You'll probably wobble for a little while, but you need to be able to do it properly before you just start turning with them. My main rule of thumb then becomes you should be able to do anything 3 times in a row correctly. You start off with being able to do it just once right. Then you should be able to try to do it a good 3 times sporadically. Your final goal then, to know that you have done it appropriately, should be able to be performed the step 3 times in a row with accuracy. Please keep all this in mind as you are practicing, and I will see you tomorrow.